Hi, this is Ken from sledtrack.com. Today we're going to talk about getting a track for your Arctic Cat Snowmobile. When shopping for a track for your Arctic Cat, the first thing you need to do is consult your shop manual, owner's manual, our website, or another reliable source. Just verify the information, because some information out there handed to us and on other websites can be erroneous. So probably the best thing is your shop or owner's manual to make sure. Once you've determined the proper length, the width, the pitch, which is the distance between the sprockets, and the lug height you're looking for, you can go to our website, find that specification, and then start shopping for a track. You're going to see several choices or more, different lug heights, different widths, different tread configurations for your application. There's strictly trail tracks, more aggressive trail tracks, on-off trail tracks, as in this Cobra. Then you get into the 1 3/4 and 2 inch tracks, the backcountries, the Challengers, and things like that. It's very important, those taller profiles, to make sure you have clearance. Okay, so these are different tracks, and we have a replacement track for almost every Arctic Cat out there from early 1990s on up. The mountain, I don't have any mountain tracks here. It costs too much to ship them directly from New York to the West Coast, so most of those are drop shipped. But many of those are 3.0 pitch, 3.0, 3 inch, and then they have tread profiles, 2.5, 2.8, 2.6, and things like that. So we do sell them. Just check the website. Again, that's sledtrack.com, 607-693-1031. You can shoot us an email or give us a call, and we'll get back to you if you have any questions. Thank you.